Alright, we hear you're ready to set up the next big online business. So let's get you started. Step 1. Validate your great business idea. Be sure your business idea is unique and that you've researched and vetted your idea. Step 2. Market research. Find out if there's demand for your product or service, and check if someone already owns the URL or business idea on the internet. Step 3. Pick a unique business name. Brand name matters, but you also need to ensure that your business name is legally available. Our business name search tool can help. Link below. Step 4. Set up your digital presence. Once you have a name, snag your website domain and the social media handles you'd like to associate with your business. Next, build your website and establish an online following. Exciting, right? Step 5. Figure out product or service logistics. What kind of products will you offer? How will they be manufactured, packaged, and shipped? If your business is service-based, how will you onboard clients? Step 6. Research your customers and competitors. What do your ideal customers want from you? Where do they spend their time online? How will you solve their problems? Answer all these burning questions by taking a look at your ideal consumers online. Do the same with your competitors. How can you stand out from your competition and make a splash in your industry? Step 7. Make it official with incfile $0 LLC formation. Don't forget that until your business is filed as an LLC or a corporation, your personal assets are at risk. Make it official by securing your LLC with Incfile today. Link below.